Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, market is busy.
Thing up.
Shopping. Baby, come check us out. Remember lock? Yes, Puna. Oh, the one Toko, yeah. Nobody can sell mixed nuts in here. I look for oh, I set them up. You sell dates? Yeah. outside.
Yeah, them always out there because our work for people come around.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes some of them come and park like out there and gone or so. And they go around there to see. I'm back.
Yeah, man, take care.
Take up, man.
Next week, Sunday, when you come again and come shoot me, because I'm going to close my way and jet funeral.
Okay.
We know you, man. We know you.
No means. Alright, cool. There we go. Hey, man, the line, the sun is really hot. Hot. Guys, the place is busy. You know, so I went to go see a relative of mine where I always get my nuts from. But apparently they lock up today. She's not there today. So I can't get no nuts at all today. You know, cause that's the reason why I came down here to get some nuts, but she's not here today. Listen, the place is so busy. Wow, guys, town is hectic, trust me, and the sun is even worse. So apparently I came to get some nuts, you know, some of my mixed nuts and dates, you know, but my relative, they're not here today, you know, so the place is closed. The place is locked up, so I have to come back another day, you know, to get that. But really looking forward to get some dates and some nuts. So yes, guys, so today I'm going to head over to Spanish Town, you know, to drop off. I got a donation for Miss Gracie, you know, got someone that donated to help Miss Gracie to, because to help with her travel when she go into the hospital, because she always say it's kind of complicated to find the funds to go to the hospital whenever, because she's all the way in Spanish Town and she have to come all the way these sides, you know, and trust me, it's a good distance from Spanish Town to where we are here in the town side. So it costs her, you know, to make that travel. So someone heard her plea and sent a donation for her for whenever she's gonna travel. So that's where I'm gonna head to today as well too, you know. Yeah, so that's where I'm gonna head to. You know, so just with Spanish Town to where we left him from Trench Town, as well as I said before, is a bit of distance away. You know, so blessed love, guys. Please remember to give the video a like, you know, whenever you're watching. If you reach this far, you haven't liked the video, please go ahead and like the video. You know, always remember to like the video. We appreciate it so much, you know, when you give the video a thumbs up. So thank you, guys. So let me head in Trench Town, you know, to go pick up Esther and boom, let's see who's available, and then head into Spanish Town. So stay tuned on that journey. Blessed love. Hold on. Leche and cream, leche and cream. Nah, like the sun drunk me. The sun drunk me today. I'm going to town to get nuts and the sun hot down there. Alright guys, so we're here in Spanish Town now. Check Miss Gracie and give her a donation. I know we're not tired. There's only Gracie that will come to give something anyway. Gonna be out the building. Out the building. Yeah? Okay, she's not there. Oh. I'm gonna. She's there, boy. Oh, she's here.
Oh, chef Mayo.
Yeah. 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 I'm trying to bless it. Oh, rain has come. The rain is coming down.
Today I feel hot. I said, well,
Wash.
well, wash so me.
Go wash it.
Me go down and I try so me can do me meal for going to church.
Nikisha.
Help me wash me here.
Oh.
But in Ghana church.
As I talk about Nikisha's weight, you know, I don't want to know her shoe size.
Yeah, because she they have something at church, at school, bounce about us. And they take out and put her shoes, I don't know she got school money. I have to slip out, yard slippers, I go here.
And schools, and what size she, how much now?
It's August, she 8.
She 8, okay. And her shoe size will be what size, you know?
Shoe size, I forgot to cancel it.
Papi, you know what the shoe size?
You don't know neither.
Oh, you know.
You don't know neither.
Okay. Yeah, because you know, one of our extended family them asked them want to know our shoe size and also our clothes size. So apparently she's gonna be 8, right?
Yeah.
So they get it by the age.
Yeah. You never take the measurement. I'll check it out, I'll find out and check it.
Because I want to know now, say if anybody want to watch the video can know as well too.
Okay.
Just in case. Yeah. So when her age, she's 8, you know, so we're gonna find out the shoe size so we can also say it, you know, because people always want to know our shoe size or our clothes size. So I guess most of these kids now we go by the age, even though some of them have no age. So you have to just look at the clothes.
You really go by the age and the size of the foot.
At the size, right?
The size I put on the age. Because I think it's 30. 35, I think 35.
Hey, Mom,
I
yeah.
think 35, you know.
You think?
I think 35.
Oh, yeah, look for something. Oh, you might show me both. Wait at what 35 our shoes?
The shoes, I think the last one may get pair of 35.
35. Alright, him say him going for one boot, so I'm gonna check. And our clothes.
No, I like uniform or
Like clothes, overall.
clothes. You can buy this by the age.
By the age.
Like if you're 8,
Yeah.
you buy size 9 or 10 to it.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay then, so you hear that guys. So if she's 8, so you can buy a size 9 or a size 10 clothes because you know they're gonna grow in age. You know, eventually she's gonna grow.
The result come back in on everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Shoe sizes?
Yeah.
What do you say?
And you will see good. Like a 33.
33.
That kind of type you have
Or type on our food?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 33 and it's tight on our feet, so it's about 34.
Between 34 35.
Yeah, between 34 and
That's why you
35.
buy shoes here in the key, no?
Yeah,
I buy a little bit bigger than our foot.
so like
Me
34.
don't, yeah, about 34 35 because me no buy exact pair of foot. Like yeah, that term I come, she still can't wear it.
Yeah,
Me always tough. Me always anytime you see me I buy shoes here.
okay.
Me buy a little bigger
So
than
it's
our foot.
the shoes about 34, 35. And she had 8. You know, so clothes you can buy size 9 or 10. Because she had grow.
Alright, no matter and she really want it because she cried for God church with her grandfather, this man, her grandfather Carrigan. She think there. She needs some church dress because she love church.
Okay.
And uniform, and September I come over, we try to get uniform for her and such like.
So we say you get the result back?
Yeah man, thank God.
Yeah, so what they
It's
say?
not cancerous.
Oh, it's not cancerous?
It's not cancerous.
Oh,
Thank God, I'm happy
Thank
for
God.
that, you know?
yeah.
But I'm happy for that.
That's a relief.
Me I tell you, me not worry now. Can me tell you something? Me trust God.
Yeah,
If it even was that, me no know, me just live one day at a time.
yes.
Because you see God promised never to leave you nor forsake you.
True.
And he said, by your strive you shall heal. And me proclaim that over my body, so me no worry and fret or not. Right now, me put them a pain me.
You start paying
Yeah,
about.
yeah man, especially I need the foot bottom, the thing there. It was more try some herbal thing, but herbal thing expensive because the doctor medicine not work. So the herbal thing, me want herbal doctor me I deal with, but it takes money. She try pay me in every way she can, cause she give me some pill and now me lose the weight.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You understand? But it's expensive. She said me have to go try. She said me can what me can do. You know, but me explain and tell her I say you guys help me, you know. So
So you can get some of the weight off of the food.
Yeah, get some of the weight off of the foot and see what can go on, you know.
What she get? Pill to take?
Yeah, I want let me go feed.
No, you can't tell me not to get
Me
up.
no.
I ask what pill she give you.
Yeah, she give me some pill. But
Okay.
we don't want to show that in case if anyone I subscribe I can see it and if anybody I come I can carry it, the herbal thing, would I appreciate that's why me want to go feed.
Okay.
That is what we put in the container. Cayenne pepper this. Let me take the circulation because the doctor medicine now work.
Okay.
Yes sir. It give me it set I put one situation and I give me another complication. Yeah man. Let me take a capsule.
Capsule. Oh. Circulation.
And this is herbal tea. What she give me? Expensive bad. She give me these. I'm not pay for these. This circulation.
So this is a cayenne pepper them said?
Cayenne pepper, me show me pull the show. A cayenne pepper capsule.
Ingredient.
Cayenne pepper in it. And this is the one that will lose the weight. Let me lose the weight.
It's a glucose health. To support the metabolism.
See what I say that? Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper?
Make them one.
It help me now. It no work fast like this something pill, but me tell it it better for me.
Yeah,
Get the capsule case.
Yeah.
With them I don't have to put it there.
Yeah. And this one, which
I
one?
did tea.
Oh, it's a tea this. A tea back in there?
Sure.
They look like it at work, man.
Yeah man, it
Look like she lose the weight.
It a work man, but only be kind of work fast like that.
Yeah.
I better me take this card, it's not after effect.
Yeah, tea bag.
This not after I wake up, I drink it morning. First thing, no, the circulation. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. I drink it. So if anybody out there will do a herbal thing can help me out, would appreciate it.
Yeah.
Very much because the doctor thing now work.
Yeah.
Years and years me I take it.
Nah,
I mean, he said that it works. Come if I'll go back up a chest. You know, you don't get messed when everyone. You not check him. You not check him. You not check him. I send it on the phone. I send it on the phone, man.
So well, if anybody know, as I say, the Lord him here.
Yeah, man.
You know, say if anything will happen, it will happen.
Yeah, man.
So maybe a donation here, you know, someone donated to help out with the kind of here say about the travel expense.
Yeah.
You know, so someone sent 7,500 here for you from Janine, from New York, you know, to help out for whenever you're going to travel to the doctor.
Yeah, because I 6,000 like taxi man charge.
So this is 7,000.
So you know, you're never going to pay lunch, thanks.
From
Thank
Janine.
you. Thank you. What's your name?
Janine.
Janine.
Yeah, from New York.
From New York. Thank you very much. My store basket name never run dry. And where this is coming from, God restore more than the amount where you give. And you continue to give and send. So appreciate of it. You know. And I'm so happy. And the donor, they may ask to help my little granddaughter with back to school thing. They have to ask her early, you know, because she will get our book list.
Yeah.
The father now a cat, the father push. The father now do nothing much. You understand? He might try his best, but nothing much now go, you know? So I have to wait and I have to ask round. Right now she has got her uniform and her stuff them and she really want a different. What I appreciate whatsoever they have. They give.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. And my condolence to the member of the team where pass.
Yeah.
You know? The fellow no mama watch. Me no watch the last episode, me no watch it. Me tell me say so me don't watch me here.
Yeah.
Me watch me here so I even know.
Can relax.
Okay, so yeah, me sit down and watch it.
Alright.
I appreciate it, man. A lot.
So if anything come up, you know, we'll keep you posted.
Yes, my dear son. I'm glad it without thank you very much, because without you, nothing could work.
Yeah, glory leads to the Almighty.
Yeah, man. Just continue to keep up the good work.
Yeah.
And do whatsoever you can. Anybody have anything we can lose the weight? Can me lose the weight? Me can't move it. You know, so the wheelchair when the wheel mark up the one.
We're not cold.
You know, no umbrella.
No.
Me can't let him. I want to know when you come back. You can't. You know, you can't have to wait up.
Oh man, skip it.
Carry right out there.
Yeah, look for Charles.
No, next time.
Okay.
Next time we're going to look for them.
Okay.
So alright then, so we keep you posted then, right?
Yes, man. Thank you very much.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah,
So,
man.
Take care.
And watch up for food, man.
Yeah man, see it.
Alright.
Big up in the eye.
Yeah, man. That's enough.
Yeah.
That go to me.
Yeah. Alright, the general. Even though it now goes rain toward now, probably it's a pass. Yeah, it's a pass. Over them side alone there. Alright, so we got some rain juice. So yeah man, so we give thanks to Janine. You know, thank you so much for blessing Miss Gracie with our transportation fee. And that can help her whenever she's going to go to see the doctor. You know, that's all the way we're coming from. So that's a distance from here. You know? So the rain alright, yeah, man. So the rain and Jew.
Are you first had trouble with her? So we had trouble with your back. When I ride from? When I come from? So when I ride back to? Tivoli? Wanna be careful.
Man, Friday, man, think I want to go to the Black Sea.
Them slow.
See, cable wire go through there, so.
You like this?
Okay, so Shay. Only listen. Let's get a picture. You guys look too cute not to. Okay. I just wanted to say.
Scanner!
Yeah.
Oh, go on. Scanner bright light, man.
You know what I'm saying? Your birthday come over.
I know.
Yeah.
I know your birthday.
Spend your family birthday time.
Yeah. That's why somebody sent a birthday gift for you. Yeah.
I really thankful for that in the car. Whenever I was there 200 years old, whenever dealing a birthday yet, you know. Yeah. But one night time I go find the money I'm going to keep a birthday for me. For real, man, I'm not this man.
Keep a birthday, one cut a cake.
What's that June? 15th of June. That's good.
They say one cut one cake.
I tell my mom now, because the date them kind of get away probably.
Say never cut a cake yet.
No, from a band.
Never cut a cake and blow the
But
candle.
it's the extended family, man, we cut more on cake, you know. Yeah, but we give thanks to them all the way.
Yeah. Scanner said never cut a cake or blow a candle before.
No.
Wow. And you, how old are you now? You know you how much now?
About 1967.
1967.
15th of June.
1967. Yeah. 58.
Let me check. But me I check 27.
Extended family, oh
So
my
you're gonna
God,
be 58.
Yeah.
You're gonna be 58.
Yeah.
Yeah, young man Scanner. Young.
That's true. When we come out here, I mean, I have no family, I stick on to gang, and the gang and the money for mind me down. They give me food for go cut it all the while, money for go cut it.
Yeah.
Every line, we have to get little food from. Double cut it gang.
Okay.
Breathe out with hard, that's why it's stroke with me, you know.
Yeah.
It's with the stress, I can't deal quick.
Of course, because you're young, you know. You're just 58. You know?
Not young,
Of course, we think that old.
to me, that old.
Not old, man. You're young, man. 58 is very young, man. 58. And boom, I just.
Yes.
50.
Yes, Mom.
You're 51. 55.
What are you wearing?
You see,
Him at 55, look at him.
young.
So you know young. Him a gonna be 56.
Say, are you at 50?
Young, you know.
Yeah, 57
You're young.
now.
I mean, old.
So what difference between
Yeah.
We are live same way, but him old, him young,
So you're young
he
too.
old.
No, you're gonna be 56 and you're gonna be 58. So
Yeah.
you're 57 right now. You're only 1 year older than him. So you're a young man. I need more for real.
You scared it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 56. And I'm 57. So you're only 1 year a month older than him.
I look at my face, to feel face.
So let me try to tell you.
You see my face? Oh no. Look at the man face.
Young up.
Yeah. We're jealous about the youth face. I'll tell you that.
As we say, when you go through stress,
I want to be a minute.
yeah, you gotta want him every minute.
Yeah.
And they want you every hour.
Force pump them, yo.
Alright, so here's a donation here for you from Heather for your birthday early gift.
Nurse. Can I say what I expected on the whole crew?
Nurse Jackie.
Yeah.
So this is coming here. This is 10,500 for your birthday.
Yeah.
From Heather. You know.
And don't hype up myself.
Yeah. So this is 10,500 here for you for your birthday from Heather.
Thank you very much. An extended family. A birthday. Glad to see you. I hear you said yeah, that is real.
So we give thanks to Heather, you know, from Connecticut, you know, for scanning birthday. 10,500 for scanning birthday. Same way, are you that?
Yeah.
Alright?
But can't fix though.
Can buy one cake.
Yeah?
Can buy one cake.
Really?
Yeah. Can buy one birthday cake.
Yeah. You said it more,
Can buy a cake, one small cake. You know?
I'll call one of your favorite girl and then push me.
Alright then, Scanner, so later. Yeah?
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Happy birthday.
What a board I mean?
Which board?
Bad piece.
Right name?
Yeah.
Or what type
What
of board?
size?
Our size?
It's a rock ground.
No idea.
It's about 8 or 7.
So,
6 man, 1, 2, 3, a 6, 1 be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you see?
alright then, Scanner, so you know what thing, so big up on your birthday, yeah?
Sure.
On your earth strong.
Yeah.
More life.
Yeah, man.
More strength.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, and so we give thanks to Heather. Thank you so much for Scanner birthday gift in Earth Strong. You know, so Scanner say never have a birthday, never cut a cake yet. Scanner have to buy one cake with that. You know? After you buy a cake and cut it and say happy birthday. So blessed love. Blessed love. No chef, oh chef. Cranberry, that's it, oh chef.
Yeah, that a woman singing it for them. I said, you can't bury, I call you. Oh, chef, I said, no, man.
Oh, somebody
chef,
see and say
she
to you.
wants Yeah. Oh, chef, she want to say, you know.
Cranberry say, oh chef.
Yeah, man.
Remember one time Jamaican uncle there the other day?
Oh, yeah, Jamaica uncle.
Yeah, so I'm saying a donation and say for everybody with the roll up there.
Alright.
You know, will come with him, get $3,000 each.
Yeah,
you know, from Jamaican uncle.
Jamaican uncle. Yeah, man, next one name, Trenchtown uncle.
Trenchtown grandpa.
So, Trenchtown grandpa, big up, you know. Jamaica uncle, enough love and blessing, you know.
Yeah.
Only for loving a Jamaica uncle, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, you know.
And yeah, Wrigley as well. The 3 musketeers them, you know.
3 musketeers them. Yeah. Enough love and will for blessing, man. Big up yourself, lad.
So we give thanks. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, so blessed love, blessed love. Alright guys, so we have Talpi on the list as well too. You know, because Jamaican uncle say we must bless Talpi as well too. So.
Jamaican uncle.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah. So here's Talpi in the building.
Yeah.
So I'm just a waiter as well.
Yeah, but that's right up there.
So this is $3,000 here from Jamaican uncle also.
Jamaica uncle, what if I love, you know, what if I respect, you know. Jaja bless and bless all. One team, one Talpi, one genius. What if I love? Straight, yeah, all the people, Talpi is here.
Yeah, right.
You know, gone now, yeah, all one now is here.
All of t-shirts about them.
Jamaica uncle, what if I love, you know. Yes, I am, what if I bless it. So,
Jamaican uncle, so we give thanks. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Jamaican uncle. We thank you so much, you know, for blessing you guys and seeing me. You know, every liquor make a mucker. So we appreciate, we give thanks. You know, we give thanks. So blessed love, and everything goes. Alright guys, so we want a donation as well too, so you know the prefect just reach as well too. You know, so we got this donation put down from the other day from Lucky Star also. You know, for the prefect himself, which is prefect here just reaching the bike. So prefect pick up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Prefect is here, guys. So, you know what prefect is here, nothing about. So we got 4,000 a year for your prefect from Lucky Star from New York. Lucky Star himself.
Lucky Star from New York. Enough love. Really appreciate and thank you very much. The good Lord guide and protect you, you know? Yeah, man, one love. Thanks again in a Lucky Star.
Yeah.
And to my extended family, still there, you know? We're not gone away, you see?
Yeah.
2 more time after out there and thing. So, once the genius ready for it, we pay have to do so, you see?
Yes, sir.
So, my extended family, big up on yourself. Oliver and Carla, bless up, you know? Love, you see? Lucky Star.
Lucky Star.
Thanks again.
Yeah.
Enough love. Respect.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so big up yourself, Lucky Star. You know, you think about Jamaican uncle, you know, Trenchtown grandpa, and also Ridley, you know, which is the 3 musketeers. So Lucky Star, big up yourself, a blessing prefect. So you know it goes already, guys. So I'm gonna say the journey always continue, it never stop. You know, and see where the journey is, up by Cromwell. You know, we're trying to assist them, you know, to make sure so they have a better living condition. And you know, when I go back here in Trenchtown, you know, soon and very soon to give some assistance, you know, some bathroom for the members, you know, so trust me, the journey continues. This is a marathon. Now we're saying, guys, are you fit? You know?
You always hear the team member.
Yeah. Yes, but I always say.
As you can see, you know, the fittest one are the one that going to survive. You see,
Yeah, man.
Kino always asks, you know, when the team was a wholly, and everybody used to say, yeah. So it sure now say the fittest of the fittest survive. That's what it said.
I say it's it, man.
Bless up and love. Yes.
Yeah, man, I said that always, guys. You know, anything goes already because remember, you know, in life, you know, sometimes it's not who start out with you, will end out with you know, but as we say, the head, I have to continue seeing me on my journey. I can't take no distraction on my journey to distract me from what I'm doing, you know, so I have to stay focused on this journey, you know what I'm saying? It never stops till when the Almighty say, you know, lights out at your time, you know, but otherwise, you have to continue. So, blessed love, you know the thing was Dream Team 1. Team! Well guys, you know it's a night market night. It's a night market night, guys, and I have some people as well to see Yaya. You know, I bring some people to see Yaya as well, and also I bring my uncle as well, Baja, to come see Yaya as well to get some of them stuff, and then some other people as well too, you know. So everyone keeps coming in for that healthy stuff from Yaya. So anyway, thing goes already. Health is wealth. Remember guys, health is wealth. Remember night market. Them say information always be there. They can also contact him same way, you know. So I'll put his number up for you to reach out to Yaya for all the good stuff then, you know. Empress. Manners. Yeah. See my welcome, man. He's got this man. Now go in and sit here. Yeah. I'm general, cool, no? But doubles is here tonight. Coming back for my doubles. No, I can't finish. Son's Cafe.
1 kilo.
No, man. So selfie, eh? Empress. Rubber bells.
Half a belch, most belch.
Half a belch. Night. They're here with the massives.
I see that. Well, massive uncle, how you doing?
Yeah.
No, man. Yeah, move.
Movements. Make sure I bring back my 2 jars, you know.
Let's hear. And I brought the coffee oil. Come here, like you say you want coffee.
Yeah. Cool, man. One Son's Cafe. Be with the big artists. In general. Cool, man. Kosher, yes, the spot in it. The right spot in the kosher.
Someone, you know, raw pepper over there. Pepper, hyper. Cayenne.
Give me a card.
Okay, cayenne.
Hyper, you know.
Alright, so we here with Son's Cafe.
Market.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, no, with Son's we are always here. So today, what we have on the menu?
So today, some black bean stew.
Black bean stew.
Yes. The pineapple chunks.
Pineapple chunks, black bean stew.
Yes, I.
Aki pasta.
Yes, I. And the
And we have
pumpkin
the-
brown rice.
My baller, Alan. Alan, I tell them say right now you can mash them up. Enough, what you say?
Right.
Right now. Alright, so I'll get a wrap then, right? So guys, I'm gonna have a wrap.
Customized.
Custom wrap. But I want everything as well. No rice. No rice tonight. So we have the custom wrap right here. So it's spinach. This one is different.
No rice.
No rice. I look at aki pasta. Isn't it? Because you're a baller, they can have it if you have rasta in your eyes, you know? Yeah.
Don't have the dread.
You don't have the dread.
It's a pineapple chunk.
This is the pineapple chunks. Black beans. Lot of proteins. Protein. We have the vegetable.
No vegetable.
So planning already?
Yeah. First thing that put in that.
Have pumpkin soup, white sauce. Have 1 spoon of water.
said him I go press it. Over there said the hot plate him rest it. Jeez, give me a rhyme. Him I go press it. You know the hot plate over there said rest it. Alright, that's over there. Guys, trust me, when you come here, you have to come and link up Sun's Cafe. You see me, I say, don't delay. Whenever you come here, Sun's Cafe. You cannot go wrong. You have to come here. Healthy food, healthy as well. Remember, the healthy stuff then. Yeah, it's around here, it's around the corner. So come on down, come on down. Eh? No, what's up, man? Going over there?
I need push. Alright. Yeah, man. That is it.
That is it.
Vital is vital. You see me I say? Plant-based style.
That is it.
1 kilo.
1 kilo, sister.
Subscribe, like and share.
This is a stay.
Yeah.
Sun's Cafe. Can't go wrong. Me and far, please. One bite. Everything right. I'm going cut you right in where I go. Bad. So the rock. Bad man.
Shop or a little lock spot. Lock off the thing.
Well, we have so much like a...
Hello.
You lock spot that you don't go there so maybe every week.
No, why not? I only go there in my work. Some spots.
Every week.
Like I went there, I don't go there since this week, but all the last week because one of my staff never come out, so I need them. So they know they're tired. They never go there, so I'm assuming I go there now, but they're not going to
Baja. Guys, we have Baja in the building.
Yeah.
Baja in the building come.
Fix up, you know.
Yeah. From the Yaya package.
The Yaya package, you know. Restore back the cells.
Yeah.
Put in back the energy, you know. All of those last.
Tell them about the experience so far with the Yaya.
Well, the experience so far, boy, it's excellent.
Excellent.
You can feel the difference in the body.
Yeah.
And everything. Yeah. And as I can say, me hold me rap.
Healthy rap, right? The same, yeah.
So health all the way. I don't know, so health is wealth. So we have to invest in health. The only way we will keep above earth, you know. So anything, stay above earth.
Yeah.
100%. Yeah, man. So I hate this, you know. As I know, say, Kina bring me another thing. So let me know we really are going. Trust me, it's a great experience so far. You know, so I'm a second.
So only can get better.
Only can get better, not worse.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, all the way. The whole world for know that.
Sure. Yeah, products all the way.
Yeah.
Guys, we tell us that the product is working. So after my rap, I'm having a jelly water right now. It picks up electrolytes down the system. You know what I mean? Electrolytes. Yo. It's like a dynamite. Boom. You know? Energy on top of energy, guys. So, yeah, man, it is what it is. So, I'm going to go back and check. I have to get my reload and my production as well too. So, those areas.
That's that. You have it there, sir?
Yeah.
Ratty, what is it? Don't drop no ratty.
Millions ratty. You know what that's life. It's called life product. If you drop the life,
Yeah. That's it. I'm gone.
gone. A life that you have this. It's mine as well, yeah? Grab a belch. You have to belch.
Your heart and soul, you must give to Jah. Burn up. Your heart and soul, you must give to Jah. Yeah, man. Your heart and soul, your heart and soul. Yeah, man. Big up Junior Vibes, you know, love and light, you know, prosperity like always. Just give thanks for your contribution, my brother.
Yes, sir. Every time. Grab a belch. If you drink and you don't belch, you have to go around there and check. Yeah, that means something is wrong with the health, right? You hear that? When you drink, you have to belch. If you don't belch, just go check. Yeah, because something is wrong with your health. You hear that, guys? Yes. You hear your belch? Okay, because if you don't belch, you have to go check. Yeah, because something is wrong with your health. You know? Hello. No problem.
Nice to meet you. Always watch you. I watch your channel. And the other day, my mother.
Yeah? Where? On here?
No, up a mom maybe. The lady but either them mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
My mother.
Yeah.
So, yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. You too, man. Big up, yeah?
Alright. Are you funny? No, I don't know you must have them here, Paul.
Yeah, Paul. What go on, Paul? Yeah, what's up, Paul?
I don't know. We even drive from around here away now.
Original Westmount.
We drive through. We drive go around the one I tell. Don't you
Okay.
know all of them, know everybody.
Know everybody.
Everybody, like, seriously.
Oh, man. It's love, man.
You know,
Love,
you just stand up and you see the man.
Who come from West?
Yeah, other one.
One day thing.
Alright, then, yeah, take care.
Yeah, man, bless you, man. That's some nice recipes, so
Yeah?
your promotion with it.
Okay.
Tonight play. And here we have Buckles coffee, Lily, and Orchid. These are both sweet and then that's coffee. If you like coffee, it's a good bowl.
Chimigo. Oh, I'm get back sip. Good, man. One back a sip. Yeah. That's some bad, no. Bad, yeah. They say them thing I'm gonna feed bad on TV, you go. Them thing will make you glow, you know? No. Yes, yeah. Cool, man. Keep on bringing the love to you know? So you say, start out the gentleman already?
Yeah, man, I'm already.
Okay.
Start him out, sir. No, man, nobody watch me, man.
Get back sip.
I want to show them get the last two sip. Yeah, that's how I sip.
True.
Get sip and it's done.
Jaja. Who get it? Them?
Yeah.
Just
and this have the tree.
So use ginger ale.
I only get the last two sips.
Yeah, I'll get keen and drink up that shit.
Almond or raisins. We're not using like no alcohol.
This is the king of the liver now.
A lot of shelf products and we end up
King of the liver.
So, we call it the king of the liver because it cleans the liver, cleanse the liver. Alright? And one of the benefits, again, with this is that people with high blood pressure and diabetes, them gain from taking this product here, the King of the Liver.
Yeah.
So you know, you have the blessed thistle, you have the King of the Forest, and you have your lemon, the wild lemon.
I love it. So that should be a good one.
So we know so the liver is very bad, it's vital.
So I want to make a blessing today.
Yeah?
I want to make a blessing.
But you're done, you have to take care of you. You're done. Yeah. See, because we have to keep the liver. Because the liver purify them. It helps to purify.
I know me as a man, I love the energy stuff because of football, I think then.
Yes. So me I say, the King of the Liver, energy. Same way. Because remember now, when you clean the organs, them and you have a perform at a high potential. Because a lot of people have fatty liver and them things that
yeah.
See, so this reduce fatty liver. And another high cholesterol, this deal with high cholesterol. Because you see, once you have high cholesterol, you have a lot of plaques in the wall of the arteries, the vessels. So this helps you clean the vessels, remove the plaques. So once you have high cholesterol, King of the Liver can deliver. So I eat.
So this will complement the two women have already.
It will complement. I just all these things work together. See, I'm saying so much. Just when we would say so much, but we have a quite a few of the products them that we still don't reach full circle with. But as time goes by,
yeah,
we definitely get them going.
King of the Liver. So I work with the King of the Liver.
Work with the King of the Liver. I just, as I say, work with the current.
Yeah.
See, I just said, work with
so these are the energy we need to play football.
You know, hear me say, I the energy. See, we keep it up. Keep it up.
Seriously, go down. There's a gift for me. That's what like something we need to get rid of this belly. Say high cholesterol and them something.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'll take your contact.
You'll tell me how
You're a gift to them.
I want to get deep with a while again.
No, we get a gift for you. We get a gift for you.
I will take care of the people.
Yeah. King of the Liver. So this now, first thing in the morning, same way?
Alright, you see, the thing is this, you can take it in the morning and I would recommend you take it also at night.
At night.
Oh, you take it.
For instance,
One drop.
a dropper full of this, one drop of this is equivalent to about a teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon in the morning, first thing of course, when I empty stomach, and the last thing before you go to bed. Yeah, man.
Cool.
Like I say, we're working on the vessels then.
So take it with this dark chocolate and everything in the morning.
Yeah, man.
So dark chocolate in the morning too.
Yeah, man. So
before you eat anything.
One drop, you know, with the dark chocolate.
So this you just swallow this
Same procedure.
under your tongue.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah, man. Let it absorb in the bloodstream fast.
Or baby down.
Respect me.
Now them man are full of energy, them get the dark chocolate.
Yeah, man. I energize them up.
Energize them up right now.
Yeah, man. You have the chocolate.
I feel like when I fly. Feel like them a fly.
Wife, you want to do it around, but wife, you want to go with it.
Oh, see the other. See the other.
How should I do it around?
See there, loaded to take back home, you know, to the health.
And the
Sip. And you get the last 2 sip, you know, and you get no sip. And Baja, yeah?
Okay, you know, and that you give to them, you know, brother, you sip.
Yeah.
One of the sip was for you.
Yeah. I'm to the Jamaica, nut buster, nut cracker, finish.
Which one? I can't. I think I'm supposed to have one.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, so you get them more cupcake.
No, this way. She will come back
tonight?
No, tonight.
Oh,
have extras,
alright, so we need 2 cream then.
Free, she want free.
She want 3.
Oh, 3.
Alright guys, so I know the thing goes already.
Yeah, do it on.
That's me.
Baja well set as well too.
Yeah, man.
But you're going well.
I'm going well, man. I love it.
I'm going well. Yeah. I am tempted to just continue going consistent.
That's why that we keep telling the people that you have to invest in your blood health. You can't, you know, and the man them, let me tell you, can't Ryan record this.
Yeah.
Because not for the man them, not for the man them at Jamaica. And even in the out in the world, Virgin, them no want put the money in themselves, and them put the money in the woman, them put the money in the house and the car and the clothes, Virgin. And when they come on to themselves, they don't want to put the money in them. That's the Virgin, the health is priceless. If your body not good, better, nothing else not good. So me are telling us, Virgin, don't stop ball and talk about yo price, cause yo, if you know car pop down today, you not find money to fix it up. So stop wait till your body pop down. Then you have hustle and hustle. Start investing in yourself today, Virgin. See, nothing no cost too much for going on your body.
Sure.
See, I'm a rate how some of the items nowadays still, them are spent for themselves for Jamaica. I'm going to give them love props, man. See, because even man like Baja, I see them man they come, cry and I say, yo, do it. See, I give them, of course, give them discounts, see, because I sell a certain thing. Virgin just investing on herself. See, not stop ball about this and that. Because, yo, when you drop them, I hit that number that.
But that costs more when you drop down.
Listen, man. So
it costs more.
So I say, yo, heal thyself. Yeah, 101, I tell you.
Yeah, heal thyself.
Get these things, Virgin.
Heal thyself. Heal that.
It's a natural deodorant. Similar to it, same natural product.
You know what it says? Baby in a bottle tonic. Baby in a bottle tonic.
For the man and the woman.
Yes. Baby in a bottle tonic.
Low sperms count and low cell egg. All of this build that up. See, clear the tube and them things. And I see the fibroid. Not for the female them, just like the man them with the prostate. Our woman fibroid issues. So. Yeah, we have the thing for them.
What we saw over here?
This is a D answer. See, and this treat 8 strands of the cancer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pan.
Say kidney.
That's the one I'm going to take from it, so just open it.
See, a lot of people have kidney issue. As I say, when you eat the bad things, the kidney and the liver, they get pressure. You don't want to lose a kidney, I'm telling you. See, so you want, this help to rejuvenate and bring back the performance of the kidney. Cleanse it and
bring it back.
Yeah, man.
Can't go wrong, man. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, you just put that in.
The eye drop same way too. A lot of people they're using their cell phone, and the cell phone is deteriorating the eye. So it's good when you nourish and treat but the
that's
eye.
That's what you should get for
with the eye drop.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
2020 vision.
You get what I mean? You know, all I'm on that, you know, because the high side of your help come use a man, you constantly do editing and everything there. Yeah. So you have to do that. It's a glaucoma, cataract, all of that. Night vision, the glares from the light. Yeah, man, when you take it, you're going to feel a lot of crystals coming out your eye.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Mucus.
So it's a 1 drop each eye?
Yeah, man, or 3, man.
3 drops each eye?
3 drops each eye.
3 drops each eye.
I wash it out.
That's about night time or anytime?
I do it night, sometimes I do it in the morning. It all depends on how I feel. But do it at night, and night is good because when you sleep now, and you wake up, all of that stuff start coming out.
Yes. Give thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Give thanks. Empress, you ready for me?
Yeah, give me 1 minute and I get ready for you. 1 minute.
They're waiting on me, you know.
What's here?
They're waiting on me.
Alright, let me handle it.
Yeah, so we can't leave if I get mine. I'm going to there. So
what's the lily something here?
The lily? $4,000. You can do 2 or 4,000. Smallest 2 and the largest 4,000.
Give them the lily. Yeah.
Can I see that?
Alright guys, see I'm over here getting my skincare product. You know, so I'm working on the external. So Melissa glow. That's all I want glow.
And you're recycling your bottle. Think about that.
I'm recycling my
So you are actually following our environmental policy to save the bottles, recycle the bottles. Yeah?
So guys, look how she has
So today he's getting Lily. And we're doing a special mix for him with black orchid oil.
What kind of oil?
So this is the black orchid and you have the lily butter. So we mix the special for you. So it means you don't need any perfume after. And the oil is actually a flower extract. And when it blends into the butter, it lasts all day. This is Ghanaian shea butter blended.
And this is shea butter.
But it's whipped, so it's very light.
And this helps the skin to what?
Just tone the skin, refines the skin, and it's a good moisture just the same. Very, very good moisture. You can also use in your hair if you'd like the sweet. If not, we have coffee and lavender for the hair also. We have rose for those who like sweet colors, and we can actually customize the butters. If you like a specific oil, we can add it to your butter for you.
Yeah, smell good.
And use your spatula, Kino. I mean, you recycle your butter, but do use your spatula.
Why? It's just a habit.
Not to recycle it.
No, to just dip my finger inside.
Oh, I know what that is.
So, you know that now you can use your finger and scrape out that.
So you won't get all of it, Kino, but I have to leave now.
Use your finger and scrape out.
Man, you never no tambourine never in the fridge.
No, because I never know where I bring it last week and she never come, you know. I don't see any tambourine, it's passion fruit we have.
So tell them why you want me to use the spatula.
Because guess what? Your hand, the body chemistry that you have, the sweat and the temperature of your body can automatically change the energy of the oil. So it will change the scent of it. You use a spatula, you're introducing less bacteria and you keep the natural scent of the butter for a longer time.
Okay.
So sometimes your product is actually infecting your skin because it's actually bacteria was introduced into your product. You know?
Okay. Because as soon as I get out the shower, I put it on my skin.
Yeah, you're good. You're a man. Most men not going to really try doing that, you know. Women are more dainty.
Yeah. And if you see me, this spatula is going to be too dainty.
Please. Well, spatula, you need to, just do the thing, man.
As soon as we jump out the shower,
you just say bam and you're gone. Nothing is wrong with that.
I still have my glow I use same way.
You still have your glow, wonderful.
Yeah.
What is it? What have you found from the glow though for you apart from natural? How you liking it?
Guys, what do you think? How I look? Am I glowing?
You're always glowing, man. The glow working.
It's working.
So we have your coffee.
Because you know, say sometimes our eyes fools us, you know. So
no, but it's true. It's working.
And if I say it's working because you're seeing with your own eyes.
Yes. And what I'm gonna do for you now, I'm gonna give you the salt scrub. I'm gonna give you a salt scrub. So as you can see, it's salt. What you see there is a salt scrub. So that's all salt right there, you know, that's the magnesium. So as I integrate it, so this doesn't have any soap, it's soap free. So if you have any skin issues, eczema, or you have just a gentle soap you want to use, and it actually cleanses the skin a lot. So
how do we use this now?
Let me show you. So it's a new one, so the pump may take a while. Let me use one that will pump quickly. When they're new, the pump take a while to absorb. So you see I put it on, and I'm just washing it on my hand. It's very lightweight. You put that on, 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. And then it leaves your skin literally feel like baby butter. But what it will do, because it's a soap-free product, it will remove any dark spot or deep tissue healing without drying your skin out, alright? So that's here. I'll label this for you.
So how many times can I use this for the day?
Every day. You're going to use it. The first time, bathe with it though, so you get a good go.
Bathe with it?
Shower with it, yeah.
So now I'm done quick.
That's how I say use a little bit the first day. Yeah, honey? Alright, I'm coming. Yeah.
I'm going to so this is for the face.
1 minute with 7, here? Yeah, but you don't come in out of town fully 7.
What's 7?
7 need your support. Okay, I'm going to smack for 1 minute. Hi there, how are you? Go on in, I'm smack now. Just tell him say a 7.
It's a bear rum here. Hi, how are you? See, so when you get to the bottom, you may see that the salt granules are there. Still just shake it up and you're good to go. Okay. But the first time, just use your hand, give your body scrub and scrub yourself with it. You'll like it. One of my favorites. And if it gets sealed and the salt is not coming through here, just pour it, alright?
Yeah. 5 minutes on your
so
face.
So you have this already, you have this, so this is number 3.
So 5 minutes on your face and rinse.
And just rinse it off. Alright, so those are your products that you're paying.
Alright guys, so well set, so give thanks guys. I'm saying yeah, contact number is there, you can contact him, for all the health thing, any health issue you have, you can reach to yeah. Trust me, so I'm gonna head out now. So I'm fully loaded. Oh, hold on there. Let me get on this.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.